behavior. Consumer behavior is the study of when, why, how and where people do or do not buy a product. It basically depends on the psychology of consumer. It attempts to understand how a buyer making decision process. So now, in the study of consumer behavior, the main focus is customer satisfaction, because consumer is the only person whose presence business actually exists. Means marketing does not run without customer or consumer. And now I am going to describe why consumer behavior is important. Because it enables the increase of sales due to identifying the target audience or the target marketing. And the other one is it help to analyze the inflation of consumer buying decision currently or due to past or present. Thank you. Next slide will continue by Shruti.
Good morning everyone. I am Shruti from Premier EQ 3rd SAM Batch 1. I am here to present the presentation of factors affecting consumer behavior. There are 5 factors: psychological factors, social factors, cultural factors, personal factors and economic factors. Now, psychological factor. Human psychology is a major determinant of the consumer behavior. These factors are difficult to measure, but powerful enough to influence the buying decision of a consumer. Some of the important psychological factors are motivation, perception, learning, and attitude and beliefs. The first, motivation. When a person is motivated, it influences the buying behavior of a person. A person has many needs: social need, estimate need, basic need, self-actualization need. The second, perception. Consumer perception is a major factor that influences consumer behavior. Customer perception is the process of collecting information about a product and interpret the information to make a meaningful image of a particular product. The third, learning. When a person buys a product, he or she will learn more about that product. Learning comes over a period of time through experience. The fourth, attitude and belief. Customers have a certain attitude and beliefs which influence the buying decision of a consumer. Based on this attitude, the consumer behave a particular way toward a product. Now Goldie will continue the next batch.
Today I am standing here to present a PPT on consumer behavior. So my topic is social factor. Social factor, women are a social beings. They live around many people. So they influence about each other. Some of the social factors are family, reference group, and rules and status. Family play a significant role in our society, and in our society from their buying behavior. A person develop a preference from his childhood to watching and buying a product. When they grow up and start continuing the same product and start preference from that product. Second word is reference group. All the people have a reference group, have a same common buying behavior and influence each other. Next one is roles and status. A person from a chief executive in a company will have to buy a product according to his status, while another one employees and colleagues of a company have a different buying pattern. So the next one is culture factor. A group of people who associated with the values, ideologies comes from a particular community. When a person comes from a particular community, have a higher influence to each other to bind the behavior. Some of the culture factors are culture, subculture, and social class. Culture factor included some of the basic needs, wants, need, perception, perceiver, and some common observations. And second one is subculture. Subculture included to the set of the beliefs, values, which consist people, religions, caste, and geographical locations. And next is social class. Social class is included just like income, family background, locations, etc. Thanks. Good evening everyone, I am Neil. So today my topic is personal factor. Personal factor are those factors which are personal to the consumer, influence their buying behavior. This factor varies from person to person because producing different perception and consumer behavior. So there are in sub factors that what is age? Age is a major factor